Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, I do not have my brows done yet, and that is because I have finally decided to try out the Benefit brow products. I ended up picking up the Desi Perkins collab with Benefit and decided to put it to the test. So let's try it out. So when Benefit first came out with their brow products, I did really want to try it, but I kind of forgot about it. I don't know if you guys ever had that, but I just completely forgot to purchase them. I guess something else came out and that intrigued me more. But when I saw this guy come out, I actually thought that was such a great price and just overall I like the whole theme. So I figured this is the perfect opportunity to finally try them out. This retails for $59. It comes with 6 different products. One of them is like a mini and it is the Pomade or gel. I'm not sure. Each company has like a different name for it. I have never in my life run out of pomade. It just doesn't ever happen. So the mini part of it does not bother me whatsoever. So let's open up this guy and see how it looks like. So I actually really like the packaging. It is supposed to be like shattered glass and I love the whole rose gold or champagne-y tones. I'm not sure which one it is, but it looks really pretty. I love that. The inside comes with this little, I don't know, pamphlet card. I'm not sure what to call it, but it is full of little tips and tricks from Desi herself. So I think that was actually really nice that they incorporated that. The inside of the package has this giant mirror and all of the products. It looks super cute and very like luxurious. And I actually prefer this color than the original. Like, I don't know why they didn't go with rose gold instead of like silver. Like, I mean, silver is cute, don't get me wrong. I think rose gold just has that pop that, I don't know. Like, I am glad I waited and got this because I think these look so much cuter. All right, since I have never tried any of Benefit's brow products before, I want to try them all. So I will do kind of like what Desi did. She does, I believe, like powder first and then pencil. So I will do that on one eye. And then to test out the rest of the products, I will do the pomade on the other brow. So that way it's like a little bit of both worlds and I get to try as much as possible. I'm actually really glad they were able to price this at only $60. Like, I think that's amazing because originally each product is worth around $25, $24, $25. So you're actually getting like 50% off if you think about it, the full product. So I think that it's awesome that she was able to get all of this for the price. Like that's a really great deal. I ended up getting the shade medium cool. I guess I'll do my right eye with the powder and pencil, and I'll do this eye with the gel. All right, so I'm first gonna go into this color right here, the first lighter shade, and just follow, I guess, the shape of my brow. Okay, guess it's good enough. All right, let's switch to the darker side. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Honestly, sometimes I don't even mind leaving it like this, like they're very soft. Okay, let's switch to the pencil now and try that out. All right, so this is the Precise pencil. I love their little crowns and like the details on their products. I think it's so adorable. It just kind of looks very like, I don't know, reminds me of like crowns and like castles for some reason. I know it's like such a weird comparison, but that's the first thing that reminds me of. And I'm gonna start at, I'm gonna start at my highest point and feather out a few strokes to create like a much more crispier line. Crispier brow, probably, not line. All right, well, the color so far, I'm not hating it. I think it matches. What do you think? All right, now this is a real test because if I can make little feather strokes in front of my brow, then this is a very good Precise pencil. Ooh, yes, look how sharp that is. Oh. Yep, I like that. The reason I say this is the real test is because sometimes Precise pencils are not that precise. So they basically don't give you that very thin little like hair-like stroke, as you can see like the front of my brows. So I like that. That is really good. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the other eyebrow. I will set them later at the really end, but so far I am really happy with it. It looks super good and like natural, but thick and everything that I look for in a brow. So now I'm going to move on to the pomade or gel. I'm not really sure. I need to look that up. Yeah, gel. Okay, so they call it gel. I'm not sure. Is pomade and gel like actually different? Because I feel like they're not, but maybe that's just me. This is like the tiniest little thing ever. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's like the size of my eyeball. This actually comes with its own little brush. So let's get this little guy out. Wait, does it just pull out? Or nope, no, let's not break it. Wait, how does this work? Hello? All right, so I'm gonna use the tiny little brush that comes in the cap of this and see how I like it. I'm gonna swatch this first to see how it looks like. I guess it's not a bad color. Okay, I'm gonna start again at my arch and move my way towards the edges. And now that I have whatever is left on my brush, I'm gonna make the little light strokes right in front of my brows. Like, I feel like looking at both of my brows, I feel like this one is a little warmer somehow. I don't know, it looks warmer to me. All right, so this is the finished look with the gel. So I actually really do like it. I feel like it looks, I don't know, a little more natural, but that's just me. I usually prefer to work with more like gel than powder, but I think they both look really good. Just out of like first impressions, for me, the gel seemed a lot more drier than like what I'm usually used to, like compared to Anastasia products and like ColourPop. There's just a lot more creamier. This feels a lot more drier, which is not bad. As you can see, my brows still look really good. It's just a different formula and like a different feeling when applying. And I actually weirdly did like working with the little brush. I thought I would not like it because it's so tiny, but I don't mind it. It was like actually kind of, I don't know, it was simple. Next, I'm gonna go into this highbrow, I guess like brow highlight. I'm not sure, what are these called? Creamy brow highlight. Oh yeah, okay, so I was right. And I'm gonna trace, oh geez, underneath my brows and to kind of give them a more of like a lifted look. This is kind of big. I expected a lot thinner of a pencil, but I mean, I guess I can make it work. Okay, so right off the bat, this feels super creamy and like gentle. Like I barely had to push it, and as you can see, it's coming off like very smoothly, which I realized I should have probably swatched it first. Oh yeah, that is super creamy. All right, so let's brush this guy out. I need something like this. All right, so I'm gonna soften it up. All right, so that was actually really nice and quick and easy. Like I didn't have to sit there and blend it out for forever. So I really like this guy. And I feel like the shade is pretty universal too. It's like a very light pastel-y pink. So I feel like it will look flattering with a lot of skin tones. All right, next let's set the brows with a brow setter. So I am pretty sure this is clear. All right, so this brush is, I would say average, but it's interesting. It's actually kind of flat. Like as you can see, as I turn it, the one side of it is like wider. And then if you twist it, it's actually really thin. So the bristles are only on different sides, but nothing in the middle. So I find that interesting. So like one side of the bristles is actually longer and the other side is very, very thin. Okay, on this side, I'm actually gonna flip it and use the other side of the brush. So I'm finding that the more wider, longer bristle side brushes my hair out a lot more. And then the thinner side kind of like very gently. So I'm guessing this is more for like how much you want to like lift your brows up. So if you want very lightly to set it, use the thinner side. If you want to really like move your brows like I am, then use the more longer bristles. All right, so this is a finished brow look. I think they look really pretty and like brushed out and natural. I liked working with all of the products. Surprisingly, I usually prefer to use like the gel style, but I actually like both. Like they both have a very similar outcome, I feel like, which surprises me because the reason I prefer to work with gel is because of the way they turn out and obviously the way that you feel when applying it. So I liked working with both. The size of the powder product is actually so tiny and compact. It's like perfect to put in your purse and travel with. So I really like that. And just in general, all of them I think are so cute and I absolutely loved working with them. So I actually really recommend it, especially right now, because I think you just can't beat the bundle price. Like, I mean, you get everything for only $60. Like, you can't beat that. So I really enjoyed it. Good job, Desi. These are very beautiful and I see why brows are your favorite part of makeup. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to see future videos like these and like this video if you enjoyed it. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.